All right, we're taking a look at problem number 1, which reads, Darius deposits $300 into a new savings account. The account earns interest at a rate of 2.18% every 6 months. How much money does Darius have at the end of the first 6 months, including interest? Okay, so I'm going to set up my UPSI, figure out what I know and what I need to find out here. Let's see, turn my contrast down a little bit while I'm working here. What I need to find out is how much money he ends up with, right? So how much money he ends up with. How much money, okay? What I know is how much he starts with. I know the percent. So I know that he starts out with $300 and he's at a 2.18% every 6 months, right? Okay, so basically I need to find, let's think about this. He's putting his money with a savings account and he earns interest on it. So he should have more money at the end of the 6 months than he did when he started. Okay, otherwise, why would you put your money into a savings account? So that gets rid of choices A and choice D already. So one of my strategies I did was I eliminated wrong answers, right? All right, let's think here. Now I need to find what 2.18% of $300 is. Now I can do a couple strategies here. First, I'm going to round. Okay, I'm going to estimate. I'm going to find just 2%. And I'm going to create a table. A percent table, okay? So 100%, what is 100% of $300? Well, it's $300, right? In other words, what's the whole thing? 100% is the whole thing, right? What's the whole thing of $300? Well, $300. Okay, well, let's see what's 10%. 10% is the easiest percent to find because all you do is you take whatever number you started off with and you shift the decimal one place to the left. You divide by 10, right? So 300 becomes 30. Okay? And my magic number I'm trying to find here is, let's see, I'm trying to find this percent right here, 2%. So I got 10%. I need to go smaller than that.
Ava Adames, please report to the front office. Ava Adames to the front office.
Okay, thank you. Random intervention. Okay, let's see. So I need to get smaller. Let's do 1%. All right, 1%'s the second easiest percent to find because you shift the 10 one more place, right? So notice that I'm shifting my decimal place. I'm dividing by 10, 100, 10, 1. So I'm shifting my decimal place one place over. So this is going to be 3. Okay? So I'm estimating now. I got my table set up. I'm going to estimate now what is 2% of $300. Well, let's see. 1% is $3. So 2% is $6, right? Because 2 is twice as much as 1. So 2% of $300 is $6. So I would estimate that Darius will end up with $300 that he started off with, plus 2%, $6, which would be choice C right there. Okay? Perfect. And just to make sure my answer makes sense, he should end up with more money than he started off with. That's true. Very good. There it is. Okay, I think it works. Let's do one more here on the same video. Okay. Actually, I want to take a break before we go to number 2. So we'll end it here and then go into another video.